Tiffany from freesvgs.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about ungrouping an SVG file so you can just use a part of it that you might like and not the rest of it. So we're going to use this file, which is on my blog, and I'll put a link to it under the video. So let's just say that you like the cardio part but you don't like the rest of it. So we're going to teach you how to take that apart. I've already uploaded it into the Cricut design space, and you can see that I have it selected because there's a box all the way around it. Most files come grouped together, so we're just going to go up here to the top right corner and ungroup it. And when you do that, you can click on all these other parts and just take them out. Now this has the little red heart, so this is another part of the file that's grouped together. And let's say you like that, but the heart's a little too cutesy for you, so you want to get rid of that. So again, you're going to ungroup it, pull this away from this, X out the heart, and then of course we're going to need to dot the I, so we'll just make a circle real quick. Pop it up there. Okay, now if you leave it just like that, when you go to cut it, it's going to have the cardio here and the dot for the eye over here because they're two different colors. And even if you change the dot to black, it's still going to cut it separately. So what you're going to do is hold down the left mouse button and select all of this, and on the bottom right you'll find weld, and that'll just weld it all together. So you have that, but say you want your file to say cardio day, so we're just going to add some text and change the font. I really like Funhouse for this. So then we have those two. And again, if you go to cut it right now, it's going to cut them separately. But let's say you're making a t-shirt. So you want these perfectly aligned and cut together so that you lay it on the t-shirt in one piece. So again, you're going to hold down your left mouse button and select all of it. Well, let's align this first. So up here is an align tool. There they are aligned, and then you're going to weld it, which is down here at the right corner. And then you'll see when you go to make it, it's going to cut it just like that. So that is your quick tutorial. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments section, and come visit me sometime at freesvgs.com. Thanks for watching.